Okay, so lean in a little closer. I'm about to tell you something that is going to change everything. For so long, we've been told our hormones are a problem, right? Something to fix or ignore. But what if that's completely wrong? What if they're not a liability? What if they're actually your superpower? Ugh, does this hit a little too close to home? You're killing it at work, hitting every deadline, but you're doing it by running on pure caffeine and willpower. You're exhausted, maybe a little irritable, and you just keep telling yourself to push through. We all know that feeling. It's the classic hustle culture trap. And look at this. If you've ever felt like your period just wrecks your productivity, well, you are so far from being alone. A full 81% of women feel the same way. So let's just get this straight right now. It is not you. Your body isn't broken. The system is. So why does it feel like we're constantly fighting an uphill battle? The truth is, it's because we kind of are. The world we're expected to perform in, yeah, it wasn't exactly built for us. Think about it. The whole 9-to-5 grind, the expectation that you'll be the same day in, day out, that entire structure is based on a male hormonal cycle. It runs on a pretty consistent 24-hour clock. And this is where it all clicks into place. On one side, you've got the 24-hour clock. That's the workplace standard. But on the other side is your biological reality, a 28-day rhythm. It's not about constant performance. It's about rhythmic shifts in your energy. And we've been taught that's a bad thing, but it's not. It is your secret weapon. Okay, this is the part where we flip the script. That rhythm you've been fighting against your whole life, it's not a bug, it's a feature. It's an incredible power source that's just been sitting there, totally untapped. So let's unlock it. You ever just feel stuck? Like you're putting in all the effort but just not getting anywhere? This quote nails it. When you try to force your body to operate on a schedule that isn't its own, your internal system just short circuits. It really is like a skipping CD. You're just stuck in the same frustrating loop. So this is it. This is the big secret. The answer isn't another cup of coffee or just powering through. Nope. The real game changer is to stop fighting your body and finally start working with it. Okay, so what does working with your body actually look like? Well, it's not just some nice idea, there's a name for it. It's a whole framework, and it's called cycle syncing. It sounds complicated, but I promise it's not. All cycle syncing really means is listening to your body's cues and adjusting what you're doing, what you eat, how you move, and how you work to match the phase you're in. You're basically leaning into your natural strengths. Let's break it down. Think of your cycle in 4 phases. First up, the follicular phase. Your brain is buzzing with new ideas here. It's the perfect time to brainstorm. Then comes the ovulatory phase. You're feeling social, you're a great communicator. Schedule that big pitch meeting. After that, you enter the luteal phase. Your energy turns inward, making you a master of details and getting things done. And finally, the menstrual phase. This is your time to rest, reflect, and strategize for the month ahead. See? Different superpowers for every week. Okay, I know you're probably ready to go Google all of this right now, but hang on. Before you do, I just need to say something really important, okay? Just as a friend, this is part of being smart about your health. The wellness world online can be a lot, so you have to be your own best advocate. When you see advice, ask yourself, is this person trying to sell me something? Are they getting paid to say this? Is this just a TikTok trend, or is there actual science here? You gotta be discerning, because your body is worth it. And that all leads to this. This is the biggest mindset shift of all. It's not about trying to control or manage your body. It's about finally partnering with it. This is the story of Elisa Vitti, who really pioneered this whole movement. On the one hand, you see her feeling like a victim of her own body. She was confused, she was in pain. But then she had this realization. She stopped fighting it and started listening to it. That one little shift from battle to partnership, it changed her entire life. Because here's the thing, your body is talking to you. It's always talking to you. That sudden craving for a burger, that feeling of being totally drained, that burst of creative energy, those aren't random. They're messages, they're clues. And all you have to do is start listening. So I'm gonna leave you with this question. Just for a second, tune out all the noise, all the shoulds and have-tos. Just listen. What's the one secret your body is trying to tell you right now?